Here's how you can fix the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok. If TikTok won't let you sign in and keeps showing this error, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top, select Sign In and Security, and make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Next, return to Settings, go to General, VPN, and Device Management, and make sure you're disconnected from any VPN. Using a VPN can sometimes prevent TikTok from authorizing your login. Then go to General, Date, and Time and enable Set Automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with account authentication. After making these changes, reopen TikTok and try signing in again. If the error still appears, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and select TikTok. Tap Offload App to remove the app without deleting your account data. Once the app has been offloaded, open the App Store, search for TikTok, and reinstall or update the app. After the installation is complete, launch TikTok and try logging in again. Reinstalling the app can resolve corrupted app files or outdated versions that may cause authorization errors. That's all for this video. Thanks.